Good morning, and welcome back to another episode of Justin's World.
Hey guys, by the way, like and subscribe and hit that bell for Justin.
So we've answered a few things on Facebook, and we're going to go and pick up a few different things. Come along with me. Let's go. We're almost to where it is to pick up that grill, or should I say smoker. I don't know if it was a grill or a smoker, or I think it was actually both of them. Says they're out back of that address, so we're gonna kind of look and see. See any grill over that way. That would be that. So, just going to presume maybe that it's been picked up. So, I don't see anything over there. Well, we're gonna go pick up some shop lights. I'll meet you guys there. See what we can find over on Morningside. I know I've got some fluorescent light fixtures I gotta go pick up. Alright, we're going. Hold your breath in that dust cloud. I ain't got time to roll up my windows. Hold on. Oh my gosh, that was so loud. We've made it. We're to the other side. Got it set up that they're controlling 5 different entrances and using it as a 1-lane road on the overpass while they fix it, instead of just closing the overpass. Fixtures are outside and waiting to be picked up.
Your destination is on the right.
Yes, it is. All right. I think this is where we'll park the truck. Go get this. cord that I had clipped off with that washing machine. Some of last night's dinner is on the floor as well. Didn't know he was done eating. Had his Olays from Taco John's sitting up on the dash, and I took off, and it tipped over all over the floor. He picked them up the best he could, so I was like, I'll take care of the rest of it in the morning. Oh, I didn't take care of it, so that's why they're there. Alright, so that goes. Pull that tight. Oh, it got messed up and tangled. Come on. There we go. So I picked up this refrigerator probably 2 days ago. And that's where that cord came from. And then I had picked up a 4-bay filing cabinet, and that's kind of where all these nuts and bolts and stuff came from. So let's go and see what other kind of scrap we can go pick up. Thank you. Right. Off to our next scrap pickup. Wow. Beautiful out that way. Well, once you come through the dust cloud, you gotta end up going back through the dust cloud, it seems. I seen something sticking out of somebody's garbage on my way over to pick up those fluorescent light bulb fixtures. So I'm gonna go swing back that way and see if we can see anything. Alright, we're about to head through the dust cloud. So that ding would have been from somebody told me that they have an office chair that's metal, so I'm gonna go and take a look at it and see what I can see. Oh, here we go. They're sandblasting, I felt it. All these vehicles are gonna get sandblast all over them today. Just for shits and giggles. Would have been that other entrance. That's okay. Yeah, I'll go over that way. So I thought I seen some things sticking out, but I think it's just wood. Like last night, we went and drove around Leeds. We were out there for an hour and a half. Didn't really see much of anything. Right. Looks like there's maybe potential in there. Nope. Nope. Just blinds. Go find this chair. Kind of been having better luck looking on Facebook and finding scrap that way. But yeah, it was garbage day up in Leeds this morning, so I figured everybody should have theirs out. Like 9/10 people had their stuff out on the curb. Thought I seen a lot of microwaves and stuff. Nope. turned out to just be recycling bins. So, see you at the next stop. Alright. So after looking at this, it comes out to that they actually have two different chairs. We'll see if this tan one is still there that I seen yesterday. Otherwise, this person has a lawn chair that they're willing to get rid of. No, I don't want to park. We're gonna park right here. Alright. Let's go take a look at some of this. Ooh. Broken. I'll go find the screw gun. So this is what we ended up with today. Still gotta go through. We're gonna take the screws out of here, probably get rid of this top part. That's not metal, but we did pick up this other chair. If you guys have enjoyed this video so far, click the like button and subscribe. And we're gonna be bringing the Buick to the
Scrapyard.
Stupid. Over to a shop or a guy that I know that's going to be replacing the brake line in that. So we'll be able to do a couple more adventures in Betty. So, yeah, I think that's how we're just going to end this video. Bye.
Hey guys, by the way, like and subscribe and hit that bell for Justin.